Hi, this is Rockin' Robin, and today I'm thinking about Valentine's Day. I went to the dollar store, grabbed some cards. They're kids' cards, they're Disney and Star Wars, and I'm going to open them up and show you what they're all about.
Hi guys, Rockin' Robin here, and I am going to open these cards. First one is Star Wars. These are from the dollar store. They were $1.25. This one is Disney. So Star Wars and Disney. I'm going to open them up, see what's in them, see what we find. Let's check it out. So I'm starting with this Star Wars. I want to see exactly what they have in them and show them to you. It says they have 12 Valentine cards and scratch and reveal. I don't know what that means, but we're going to take a look and see what scratch and reveal means. Okay. So this is what I found. That's not a whole lot in there. So let's check it out. It says, "Be mine, will you?" Okay, so I have a handy pair of scissors. Cut open the plastic. So here are the cards. And I'm going to show you these one at a time.
So here are the Star Wars cards. You can see this one says, "Be mine, will you?" And on the back, "To and from," with a little Happy Valentine's Day sticker. The next one is Star Wars Stormtrooper. Again, a "To and from." Then we have Darth Vader. R2-D2, I would say. This one is sideways. Another Stormtrooper. I bet they're not all sideways. Here we go. So that's Yoda. And there's a starship. I don't know which one. And they all still have the same things on the back. And there's Chewie. They say Lucas on the bottom. Lucasfilms, I guess. Another R2-D2. This one says, "Breathe away, I'll take your Mandalorian picture." I don't know what that's supposed to be. Star Wars. And my Chewy love. So we had those weird things that came out of them when I picked them up. And I believe those are what you scratch. So now we're going to reveal what's on this card. And to reveal it, you take this and you're going to scratch and scratch and scratch until you find out what it says. So there you go. I scratched the whole thing and it says, "I am one of a million." So you have to scratch each one. You give the kids these little scratchers, and you can, I guess you attach one to each. They look like little Star Wars, you know, and you hold them like that. I'm sure they'll play with them after, and reveal what each one says.
Let's open up Disney Princess.
They have different Cinderella. Says different things on it. I'm going to show you what that's all about. Here's the different princesses. I don't remember all of the princesses' names, even though I'm a huge Disney fan. I know this one probably is Snow White. I don't know. Let's see what else we got. Very cute. You can see all the ones they have. They have like 2 of everything. So they have 6 different princesses. There's a Little Mermaid. So now you can make things with this. Now the other side gives you the directions. So even though they're kind of cards, they're also fun to use on the back. And I'm going to make it and show you what it's like. So this is what it makes. And you can have a lot of fun playing the games. Kids tend to love this. Well, this is Rockin' Robin. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, give us a big thumbs up, and watch all our videos. Have a happy Valentine's Day!